engineering, and mathematics will take over at SC4 to showcase different exhibits to community members and future leaders.
Today is our STEM Fest 2025. This is our third annual STEM Fest. This year we're expecting over 6,000 attendees. It's a great opportunity to interact with the community, to remind the community how important science is and how it connects with us in our daily life, and also future careers. This partnership is another example of how important SC4 is to our community, because we're able to bring others to our community because we're here.
There are over 200 activities for families and young people to engage with, from what you see here behind me in the field house, where we're doing things like making ice cream out of liquid nitrogen, big crowd pleaser, to other different math and science related demos. And then across SC4's campus, it's really like an open house style with all kinds of hands-on activities in other buildings and across the greenery. Events like this are really important in a community for a couple of reasons. What we see today are a lot of multi-age ranges getting together and all learning the same thing. And learning together is a really powerful tool for families to have a closer relationship and to be excited about different pathways. But it's also really important for people in this community to see the incredible resources that SC4 has right here, from the amazing facilities that they're able to actually walk through and showcase today, to the different partnerships that are all present, like us, Michigan Tech, happy to be a partner of SC4. This campus has a tremendous amount of opportunities to offer the community, and we're here to really show that off today. We're able to come back every year because the community makes it possible. A lot of partners and sponsors and donors have contributed to make this event happen today, so we really want to thank the community for allowing us to come back in and continue to offer this program at no cost to the public. We really are thankful to all of our many sponsors who have contributed for today.
STEM being the acronym Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math is a great combination of all of those different fields, bringing them together into just a really awesome generalized version of everything. I am a second-year environmental engineering major at Michigan Tech. Pursued that because I love the environment and also engineering, and it was a good way to kind of combine both of those together. And that brought me to Mind Trekkers in kind of a roundabout way. It was just a leadership event that I wanted to get a part of, and here I am today, 1 year later, at the same event.
What an amazing event to showcase the STEM careers that you can pursue at SC4. For Coast TV, I'm Kaylin Williams.